Well, we just drove about an hour for Dad's birthday today in the snow.
Yep, we did.
It was ridiculous, but we're here.
Very good.
Yep.
Jimmy said it was going to be for 1 hour. Jimmy's not a weather woman.
Well, Virgo had fun though. She just ate all kind of Indian food,
I love it.
and she still wants more.
Yeah.
She has not stopped eating since we've been here.
I think she's eating more than more.
And Ba's giving her more and more. Look at her.
I think we're
More.
than Anthony did.
What, Jimmy? What?
I said I think Virgo eats more than Anthony.
Yeah, more.
Let's.
Ah, love you.
Love you, Virgo.
This
Love you, Sneaky.
Look at it. Mommy's calling.
Hi.
Give kisses. Mwah. Virgo.
Banat kharap siya.
More. Okay, you keep eating more. I love you. Bye, sweetheart. Mwah.